Edo lawmakers caution against talk on who succeeds Obaseki. So this is the new trend of what is going on. There's already talk on who will succeed Obaseki. They're already trying to play this thing and all that, all this godfatherism. That was what Obaseki fought against, and the people were with him to say, we know the effect of Godfather because you have to please the Godfather. You have to make sure that they are happy. Other than that, things might not go well. The godfathers will be the one collecting the money, decide who gets the contract, and the people might not implement it, and thereby the state is worse off. So we want people who are genuinely honest, who will bid for a contract, get the contract, implement it, and at the end of the day is a win-win situation. However, some quarters and some group and some persons in Edo State are already planning, in quote and unquote, the successor of Obaseki, and there is already caution, divide lines among the lawmakers. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe if this is your first time. We sincerely appreciate you. God bless you. Edo lawmakers caution talks against who succeeds Obaseki. Honorable Ephraim, the deputy whip of the Edo State House of Assembly, has called for caution in the ongoing debate on who succeeds Governor Godwin Obaseki in 2024, advising that the focus at the moment should be on how to assist the incumbent governor in achieving the set goals and the promises made to the Edo people. Market spread consultancies in Edo State has also spoken into this. In the Edo House of Assembly, our focus for now should be on how to carry out a robust debate on issues that will move the state to its next level. It is improper to start gesticulating or speculating for some people who will be the next governor of the state, especially members of the House, to be discussing either privately or publicly. The issue of who becomes the governor in 2024 is still a long time to go, should be made to rest for now, and allow the present governor, who has years ahead of him, to perform and to keep the promises made to the Edo people. Because we just did an election. We have a governor who just came into office, who has not fully exhausted 1 year of his second tenure, not talking about who becomes the governor in 2024. I don't think I would be part of that debate right now, because it is not right at all. We have a governor that we all need to rally around. The entire state is relying on him, as he gave them election mandates and promises to keep to his words and make Edo State a hub of an economic hub, a center of excellence, a state for other states to follow and to learn from. Currently, what is ongoing is unnecessary talk, and this has to stop, especially not among House members. We all need to focus on our job and ensure we deliver on our mandate, because the people expect much from us. To whom much is given, much is expected. We are not supposed to fail the people on this front, debating, focusing on who becomes the next governor, and leave the very task in front of us, which is at hand. Edo State deserves better governance, and we all have a quarter to contribute to bring Edo State to the very best. There is an agenda, there is a plan to bring Edo State to become the envy of other states to learn from. So my people, that is it. There you have it. The House, we human beings are like that. Some people are already talking. So who will succeed Obaseki? How do we go from here? Who will become the next governor? Should it be A? Should it be B? Should it be Lawrence? Should it be Sosa? Should it be Azigbemi? Should it be this? Should it be that? But the truth of the matter, they need to focus on what is on ground. The House is already divided. And guess what? Obaseki will be wondering, I have not even completed my first tenure in office. That does not speak very well. For those who are engaged in that, they should leave it for now. And I think this is the time for trust building among the people. Whatever opportunity you find yourself to influence, to give guidance, to give leadership, do it well, so that when the time comes for election and you come out, those people that you've now gained their trust will be the one to loud and blow your trumpet. And before you know it, acceptance will begin to come gradually. Obaseki was a first-time governor who has never been a governor before. But guess what? When he was there and people began to, Oshomole talked about him, and other people began to talk about what he has done, how he's been helping Oshomole through the administration. It was easy for him to gain his first tenure. He has never been there. Nobody knew his name until that happened. So, I mean, everybody needs to work at it. Enough of this, what we have in Nigeria today, somebody just come in and just become, somebody from nowhere. People who have never worked with people, who do not understand people's management, who has not given their quota or their best to ensure that people, get the best. People who have not served. What we need is servant leaders, not those who are coming to extort, not those who are coming to manipulate the system, not those who are coming to enrich themselves. What we need are servant leaders, people who are genuine, consigned, who wants to make a difference, who wants to better the life of the people, who wants to leave the place better than they found it, who wants to contribute. These are true leaders, and these are the characters that we should be looking out for. These are the things that we should be, we should be focusing on, rather than, those who have money to spray, those who have come to, say one thing or the other. These people do not really mean well. If they spend their money, they will get it one way or the other. They will look out for a repayment plan. Of course, they've borrowed money to do these things. A time should come in Nigeria where money is not the yardstick to go for a campaign, but character, personality, servant leaders. These are qualities that cannot be bought in the market. And so when we have this set of people, when we find this set of people, we should treasure them. We should do all it takes. We should work together to ensure that these people get the maximum support. Because when they get there, they are not, over time, they've proven again and again and again to us that they are genuine, that they are there to contribute, that they are there to serve. And guess what? That is how we start nation building, and the nation begins to heal. People who have seen what it is, example from other countries, and want to implement it in Nigeria, not the current set of people that we have. They travel abroad, they see how clean the place is, education systems working. They come back and it's as though they never traveled. They've forgotten what they saw or what they imagined or how beautiful or what they experienced. They come back and they continue with business as usual, leave the place even more rotten than they found it. That's no leader. That's not a person who genuinely is concerned. Guys, leave us a comment. Let's hear your thought. Let's hear what you think with regards to Obaseki'S success already being planned by some quarters. God bless you. Have a fantastic day. Bye for now.